Good morning, traders. I have a 30-minute chart on the NASDAQ 100 futures. We went down exactly 221 points. It's the first calendar trading day of 2024. We were overbought. We featured this on the channel. This is a 60-minute chart on the hourly, and we will have support when we get down here to 16,944. Now, when we look at a daily chart, everybody, we were overbought, and it's on the YouTube channel. Trading with Tommy Trader is the right thing to do. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Let's get in here and start 2024 together. As I said, this is profit taking. We rallied for 10 weeks. We were overbought. We told you not to buy the dip. We told you do not buy parabolic highs and to wait for the pullbacks, and we are 100% right. Once again, NQ100 futures, daily chart, we are going to say one thing. That's a 10-day simple moving average. This was the high. This is the reversal. We were overbought. So the bull is still here. When we hit support, then we're going to buy the NQ100 futures. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Use the comment section. Get interactive. Let's make a fortune together. All you have to do is sign up, get in that free 5-day trial, and start right now.